Today we're covering how to install a French drain. Here's what you need to know. Water is concrete's enemy. Learn how to install a French drain to divert water away from your foundation. Quick answer: French drains need 12 to 18 inch deep trench, perforated pipe wrapped inches fabric, and 6 inches of gravel. Slope 1 inch per 8 feet toward outlet. Moving on to how to install a French drain, protecting your concrete. Water is concrete's enemy. Proper drainage prevents water damage, settling, and foundation problems. A French drain diverts water away from your concrete and foundation. This guide covers how to install one correctly. Next up, why French drains matter. French drains prevent water pooling around foundations, concrete settling from saturated soil, freeze-thaw damage, foundation problems. Let's talk about installation steps. Plan the route, determine where water needs to go, away from structures. Dig the trench, 6 to 12 inches wide, 18 to 24 inches deep, with slope, 1 inch per 8 feet minimum. Line with landscape fabric, prevents soil from clogging drain. Add gravel base, 2 to 3 inches of gravel. Install perforated pipe, place pipe with holes facing down. Here's the deal with the bottom line. French drains protect your concrete and foundation by diverting water away. Proper installation requires correct slope, gravel, and perforated pipe. This investment prevents costly water damage. Need help with drainage? Contact local concrete contractor. We can assess your drainage needs and install French drains to protect your concrete and foundation. Now let's look at need help with your concrete project? For a free quote on your project, visit localconcretecontractor.com. Thanks for watching.